There's not a half a tank in there?
Huh?
There's not a half a tank? I challenge you, Matthew. If you run it out, I'll go get you some right now.
What?
Gas.
You're gonna run it out right now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, I'm still gonna go get some, but I'll go as soon. If you run out, I'll go as soon as you run out. But I don't think you will. Welcome, number 9. This is the show. We're waiting for this. We're gonna let the kids play for a minute before we get the death trap going. 13 people. That's lots of viewers so far. See, we got a body for that one. This backyard carts. 16. We're doing good on 16. That's lovely. We might as well get death trap warmed up. Oh, a little more. There's like 20 people already. We're gonna have to get her warmed up. Yeah, pure adrenaline. 30 people. Good Lord. We're gonna do some death trap right. Hey, 35 people. 35. That's enough to go. Oh, I got you.
Stay away from him.
I noticed that it don't go as fast when it's at low tank.
Okay, let's park him for a minute. Let's park him for a minute. Hunter, I don't have time to talk.
And that, my friends, is the death trap.
Sun was in my face. I was trying to get over here, but you were scaring the crap out of me.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Over there where there's no sun.
No, it's riding.
Mike, you gonna do that again?
Why?
Drive it again?
I don't know. That was a pretty good show. Hey, badass, huh, Alan? That's what I'm saying, bro, man. Living it up. Living it up. Man, it's for sale. It's for sale. Oh, Dustin, wanna be in? Welcome. Here, let me. How much? What, man? I'm at $1,000 firm, man, and you gotta come get it. I'm in the Pacific Northwest. It's got an 800cc Yamaha 2-stroke. Man, you see just feathering the throttle. That's what it does. It's all day. It's all day. It's no bullshit. This thing just is a tire melting monster. You guys seen that? It's just vicious. It's vicious. Nothing else. The road says it all. I think $1,000 firm is right on time. That's a deal. That's a damn deal. They be selling them for $1,000. I don't even want to sell it. Look at that. You know that's good money. You know that's good money when the rocks stick. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah, great price. That's what I'm saying, man. Man, come get it. I got more toys. We got toys, man. I don't know what to do with them. There's toys. Another little Manco silver fox. I got a tote goat for sale too. I got a 1960 tote goat. Yeah, Oklahoma, that's the problem. That shit is heavy too. This one right here got the NASCAR body. 55 people. Hey, we might have to another death trap ride. That black one got that NASCAR body. This body right here goes on that black one. Thomas, I'm from Washington State, the Northwest. Oh, you just started watching, so you missed this? This is the whole feature. This is the feature. Just look at the road. It'll tell you what this does. Yeah, nah. There's 60 people here. Here. We gonna burn some tires off. 60 people.
Let me get these kids in.
Okay, call them in. Come on, send them likes, send them hearts.
Park it for a second.
Send that shit, guys.
Park that mini racer.
Oh yeah, no, I'm gonna not only start it, I'm gonna ride it. We gonna do the damn thing. Look, look. This will tell you. That's what that does. I'll even take you one lap while I got the phone, but then I gotta pass it off. I mean, it's fun, but it's kind of sketch on one hand, you know. There you go. Send them likes. Oh yeah, they can hear you. Yeah, it has a CVT. It's completely CVT. It has the snowmobile clutch on it. The whole CVT, brake and everything. Oh yeah, it smokes the tires. No, it's got the CVT that I don't even get to engage. No, it's ready. It's ready. I got a Toco for sale too, y'all. A 1960s Model B. Let's go ride that. Let's go ride that. Does it have gears? Yeah, one. It's called lucrative speed. It's called how big are your balls? That's the gear it got. Down to 49. It'll be a good video to download and replay later. Good old tote goat. Oh, how am I going to do this? Yeah, go. You guys can ride now.
I want to see you riding on the boat.
I will. You know these predators are cold-blooded. I got the wrong belt on here, but it still ride. Good old tote goat. 42 people, 42 people. Sorry. Are we there? Sorry. Come back, baby, come back. Let's see if I could do the hill with one hand. On the tote coat, baby. One hand. Whoa. Gotta love that tractor tire. Down to 25 people. You can use that torque converter as a brake. Whoa. Togo's not so fast after 70 mile an hour. It'll go anywhere though. It does billions and shit. Look at that road. Look what the death trap does. You gonna ride this thing? Ride it. It's comfortable. It is. Yeah, it's got both brakes. Rear, front. You'll see when the belt's shaky, I just don't hold it open. It's not a speed racer. It'll take off from the jump, but it's not a speed racer. Welcome everybody. Who's all left? Is anybody left in here? Look, we got snow. Oh, the snow melted today, but we got snow on the hills. That shit's coming. That shit's coming. Had to get one last ride for the season. Had to get one last ride for the season. What? I can't hear you. Oh yeah, it's snowing. This is such beautiful weather. I had to get one more in. It's yeah, it's supposed to snow all week. Yeah. Oh, come on, man. Oh. Isn't it cool? Go take off up the hill and go slow. It'll take you right up that hill. Like nothing. Oh. No, do the hill. You'll like it. You'll be like, oh, this is easy. Yeah. Wait till I got a good belt on it. Do it, dude. It's nuts. It's so cool. Just a little bit. It's for sale, $250. Is that not what I paid for it? You know what? Go put that in your collection for 200 cash right now. The way it's 200 cash. I want Benjamin's though. I know you want it. I know you want it. And that's me taking a $50 hit on the motor because I done beat it up a little bit. But it's still a good motor. Man, 200 is a deal. And all them hours I got in it, you might as well take that home. Finished product. Careful with that. It'll grab and juice you up. It'll stand right up. Come on, send the likes. Them last 10 people in here, what's going on, man? Sure, I don't know who Joshua is, but if you're doing some weird shit, you're in trouble, bud. Can't be having no crazy stuff. 7 people.
See that brass bushing?
Oh, yeah, no, the brass bushing's supposed to be in there, but, I mean, it's not, that belt's loose enough, it's not burning it down. Who's trying to come up on video, though? Now, you gotta say something in the comments. I'm not just bringing people up here. Let's go. We're down to 8 people, man. You guys have a good day, man. We're hustling and bustling right now, man. This is over. Be easy, Jeezy. It was fun. Just don't forget, the death trap lives.